Students, before your exam starts, okay, your exams are going to start from 14th of October, okay. I request all of you to please, keep checking the WhatsApp messages, all right, the group messages especially. Make sure that you have submitted your documents, okay, and filled the exam form. In case you have not done that, kindly do it. Okay, tell your friends also. Most of them must not be even knowing, क्योंकि कुछ students ना WhatsApp messages बहुत late check करते हैं. So just get in touch with your classmates and make sure that you are doing that. And lastly, I request all of you to please keep your DP on Zoom as well as on your WhatsApp number. Okay, because it's very difficult for us otherwise to recognize who the student is. Okay, ये जैसे Ansari, Zunaid, Sandhya. Okay, I just request all of you, Sheikh, Afreen, आप लोग आपका फोटोज रखो, ठीक है, आपका डीपी रखो, डिसेंट सा अच्छा सा डीपी रखो. व्हाट्सएप पे आपको जैसा रखना है रखो, दैट्स अ वेरी personalized messenger, but on Zoom at least keep your own DP. Okay guys,
Okay, ma'am.
am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So reply
Yes,
क्यों नहीं कर रहे
yes,
हो?
ma'am.
Not necessary to do it now itself. Okay, don't go to your gallery and start finding out a photograph. Okay, do it after the lecture. Okay, just change your DP and make sure you keep your own DP. We want to know, right? Okay, students, because we're not meeting face to face, right? So keep your own DP, a decent DP. मॉडलिंग टाइप वाला मत रखो कि आप व्हाट्सएप पे रखो वैसे पिक्चर्स, नो प्रॉब्लम. See, Aditya has kept a very nice DP. So something wherein we will be able to recognize the students. Okay. Moji is better DP change कर दो. Simple सा DP रखो आप. Okay. All right. Yesterday we started with areas of evaluation in GD. Students, my motivational and motivation and leadership subject is wisely completed. So I'm continuing with RNS. Okay, let us first complete the syllabus. So over here, yesterday we started areas of evaluation. That means if I have to evaluate a group discussion and give a scoring to the students who are engaged in group discussion, so on what basis I'm going to give the scoring? Okay. So very first one was communication skills. That means how much the participant is able to convey his idea confidently and convincingly to others. Okay. Communication skills does not only include how good you are in talking, but it also includes your expressions, your clarity of thoughts, okay, the language that you're using, your active listening, everything. Second one was analytical skills. um, हमने यहाँ पे क्या स्टडी किया कि आप एज अ पार्टिसिपेंट हाउ मच यू आर एबल टू जस्टिफाई योर पॉइंट इन द टॉपिक, इवन इफ यू आर अगेंस्ट इट और इफ यू आर इन फेवर ऑफ इट. जैसे कोई टॉपिक है, आप उसके अगेंस्ट में हो या उसके फेवर में हो, जैसे भी हो, तो आप कैसे उस पॉइंट को जस्टिफाई कर. Recently, I happened to see one group discussion that is like, since there are growing rape cases in Bombay as well. अभी हमने मैंने आपको I think yesterday or day before yesterday, I don't remember. I said you that there's a recent rape case that happened in Chembur at night, 3 a.m. Okay, we've seen a very disastrous rape case in Dombivli where और एक कहीं तो हुआ था बॉम्बे में, तो उसी के बेस एक ग्रुप डिस्कशन था. And this group discussion was not it was not actually verbal group discussion. It was a group discussion that started on FB page. Okay, one of the most active organization is trying to kind of sensitize people and bringing everybody's you can say opinions or thought process on one page. So the title of group discussion was are girls responsible if they for such rape cases that are happening, since they arrive late at home around 3 o'clock or 2:30? So there were so many comments, students, so many of the comments, right? So your analytical skills means what? You are able to justify what you are saying. Okay. Now see, there was a comment on that particular discussion that, yeah, the girls are responsible for such kind of incidences that happen. Who are telling them to go at the night and come so late at home? Okay. They need not have the equal desires like what boys have. Boys can go anywhere they want to. Nobody is going to harm them, but girls should be very careful. So this is not an analytical skills. This is something that you are saying because you want to say, as in context to, you're just trying to propagate, or you're trying to generalize, okay, that everybody is on the same, or everyone thinks alike. You're trying to, propagate that. तो ये एनालिटिकल स्किल्स नहीं हुआ. ये एनालिटिकल स्किल्स क्या है? जब आप कुछ बोल रहे हो उसको सपोर्टिव, अपने के आर्ग्यूमेंट्स के अंदर या आपके बातों में कोई दम है कि तो आपके डिस्कशन में एनालिटिकल स्किल्स दिखाई देगा. सच काइंड ऑफ स्टेटमेंट्स आर वेरी वेग स्टेटमेंट्स. ओके. एंड दैट इज हाउ वन डिस्कशन दैट हैपेंड. उसमें कमेंट में ये भी था that the Nirbhaya rape case that happened in Delhi. So वहाँ पे the advocate said, who was not in the favor, he said that, uh, if she was to be my girl, I would have killed her. Okay. So I think again this is a very personalized form of framing or sharing the opinion. So this is not analytical skills. This is your own thought process. Okay. So analytical skills मतलब क्या? जब आप आपके टॉपिक में, जब आप बात करते हैं टाइम पे, कि आपके आर्ग्यूमेंट्स में आपके बात में कोई दम है, okay, तो आप उसको analytical skills बोलते हो. I suggest you to please Google, Leh Ladakh MP's speech, okay, in the parliament. I repeat, Leh Ladakh MP's speech in the parliament. A very young MP from Leh Ladakh gave a very nice speech in the parliament, and that is analytical skills. He had the documents, he had the source of information. When he's talking with fact and figures. He's not just talking in the air. तो दैट इज एनालिटिकल स्किल्स. आप में से कौन देखेंगे ये वीडियो आज के दिन? जब भी टाइम मिलेगा,
Yes,
watch. Only one girl, that's it. What about others?
yes, ma'am.
Do watch if you get time. Okay, the video is a little lengthy video, but at least watch for 10 minutes or something like that. I'm very sure आपको खुद ही इंटरेस्ट आएगा पूरा वीडियो वॉच करने में. I just put up in the chat box. He's a very young guy, very young guy. So do watch this video. You will understand what I am trying to say you when I say what do you mean by analytical skills. Okay. Moving on to third one, which is ability to work. आपको first 2 points में कोई difficulty?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. All right, very nice. Then we move ahead. We are starting evaluation of group discussion. That means if I have to give points or scoring to the participants who are engaged in group discussion, what parameters or what criterias or probably what things I am going to take into account. Okay, so first one was communication skills. Second one was analytical skills. Now moving on to the third one, that is ability to work in teams. Okay, who's going to read that? Anyone?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, please, please.
Ability to work in teams. This refers to maintaining harmonious relations with group members. The candidate must tactfully handle conflicting opinions in order to arrive at a consensus.
Okay, now listen to this very carefully when I say ability to work in teams. students, when you are into a group discussion, okay, possibly, for instance, I, Mehak, Sarita, and Gauri, and Subhashni, Aditya, we all are in a group discussion, okay. Now, somewhere, my thoughts and Mehak's thoughts are matching. Okay, we think alike, and possibly our opinions are somewhere moving in the same direction. Okay, so when we are into the discussion, we have to understand that automatically during the discussion itself, since we have the similar thinking, okay, we need to start delivering our you can say discussion through teamwork. Okay, I have to also maintain harmonious relations with other members, okay, who are having conflicting opinion. Okay, possibly Aditya and Sarita are having different opinion. Okay, now I also need to understand that as I said you in my previous lectures, every coin is having a two sides. Okay, so I have to also understand why Aditya and Sarita is having a conflicting opinion. Okay, why they are saying different uh, and why they are not on the same page, why we both are not thinking alike. Okay, so I have to maintain harmonious relations. See, group discussion is meant for a purpose. You all have to come to a common consensus. Okay, आप डिस्कशन करके उस डिस्कशन को ऐसे बीच में एंड अप नहीं कर सकते हो. Someone has to summarize. Okay, someone has to come to a common consensus. Okay, कि ग्रुप डिस्कशन के बाद में कुछ कंक्लूजन होना चाहिए, कुछ प्रोडक्टिव आउटकम होना चाहिए. इट शुड बी रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड, right? So you cannot have a discussion which is meaningless. Okay, you just had a discussion, you just put across your thought process, आपने अपना opinion बता दिया. नहीं, वो discussion नहीं. That is just possibly a platform where you are just trying to put your thoughts, you're trying to put your opinions. No, that is not group discussion. Group discussion is you start trying to accommodate the other's point of view also. हो सकता है मैं आदित्य और सरित में और महक जब ग्रुप डिस्कशन में सिमिलर तरीके से सोच रहे हैं, तो हम टीम वर्क की तरह स्टार्ट करेंगे डिस्कस करना. एंड एट द सेम, जैसे मेरे को शायद पॉलिटिकल नॉलेज अच्छा होगा, महक को लीगल नॉलेज अच्छा होगा, तो हम दोनों अपनी बात रखते टाइम पे थोड़ा वी कैन प्रेजेंट आवर पॉइंट्स स्ट्रांगली. बट गाइस एट द सेम टाइम, ओके, क्योंकि हम एक डिस्कशन में है, तो हमें ध्यान देना है कि why Sarita and why Aditya are thinking differently. हो सकता है हम उनके कुछ पॉइंट्स को कंसिडर करें, एंड वो लोग अगर समझो 4 पॉइंट्स बोल रहे हैं, तो हम चारों पॉइंट्स पे नेगोशिएट नहीं करके 2 पॉइंट पे नेगोशिएट करेंगे. एंड वी माइट से ओके, वी अग्री टू व्हाट यू से. Okay. Similarly, we are expecting Aditya and Sarita to also consider 2 points of us what we are discussing. Okay, like this we can come to common consensus. Group discussion is not a debate. Debate is different. Debate is completely two teams having two opposite views. Okay, one team is going to defend, the other team is going to attack, and then vice versa. Debate में है ना, आप लड़ सकते हो. Okay, you can also have heated arguments if required. Okay, but group discussion में आपको सबको डिस्कशन को ऐसे लेके जाना है कि बाद में कॉमन कंसेंसस पे आप आ सको. ओके, so I hope now you know there is a clear difference between GD and debate. Okay, debate is different guys. Debate में अलग अलग टीम होती है, appointed टीम होती है, टीम A versus टीम B. ग्रुप डिस्कशन में ऐसा नहीं होता है. पार्टिसिपेंट्स को मालूम भी नहीं होता है कि कौन कौन मेंबर्स है, और पार्टिसिपेंट्स जब स्टार्ट करते हैं ना डिस्कशन, तो वो लोग अपना थॉट प्रोसेस जो उनके माइंड में है, दे स्टार्ट डिस्कसिंग. ओके, और डिस्कशन के दौरान ही आपको पता चलेगा दैट हु इज थिंकिंग अलाइक. Once you know that this person is thinking alike, you should you can collaborate your views and put across. Okay, and then try to bring the discussion to a common direction and come to a common consensus. That is why it is very important that you should have the ability to work in team. If during the discussion if I notice कि आप लोग वो टीम वर्क कर पा रहे हो, तो फिर आपको अच्छा स्कोर मिलेगा. एंड ऑल्सो वन मोर थिंग, हाँ, ग्रुप डिस्कशन में आपको स्कोरिंग या पॉइंट्स या इवैल्यूएशन इंडिविजुअल बेसिस पे होता है, ग्रुप के बेसिस पे नहीं होता है। आपने कैसे इंडिविजुअली वहां पे अपना व्यू पॉइंट्स रखा, कैसे आप ग्रुप को कन्विंस कर पाए, कैसे आपने कंक्लूड किया, समराइज किया, कैसे आपने डिस्कशन इनिशिएट किया, all these things are taken into account. I hope simple to understand, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
moving on to point number 4, that is emotional stability. Okay.
This refers to the candidate's ability to balance his emotions when certain criticisms are directed towards him. It is necessary that one should not lose control or get frustrated but stay calm and composed to face the odds and stress.
I think one should not take things very seriously. During the discussions, possibly you are coming across a very conflicting views, and also you are getting criticisms on some of your points that you are discussing. But you should not get frustrated. You should not lose your control. Okay, you need to understand that you are a part of a discussion. Okay, and everybody has a right to put across their views. अगर कोई आपको क्रिटिसाइज कर रहा है, कोई लाउड हो रहा है, कोई आउट ऑफ द लाइन जा रहा है, तो उसका स्कोर खराब होगा। ओके, वो आपको इंस्टिगेट कर रहा है, और अगर आपका रिएक्शन चला गया तो फिर आपका भी स्कोरिंग नेगेटिव होगा। ओके, so if someone is criticizing, learn to accept it, as in do not accept their point, but do not but face the criticism. Do not get frustrated. Don't lose your calm. Okay, be composed, and also be ready to face such kind of odd situations during the discussion. I think emotional stability is something which is a which requires a lot of efforts, and if you do mastery in that, I think you win everything. Every situation will go in your favor if you are having emotional stability. I think one should definitely learn to have a control on one's emotion. Okay, be very practical in life. Okay, practical does not mean that you become heartless and you are not at all thinking from the heart. No, it's not like that. Okay, when I say emotional stability, that means you have to let go of certain things. Okay, you cannot keep tripping on one small issue for a long time or on daily basis. Okay, some people are going to meet you and may not be there with you forever. Learn to accept it. It's all right. Okay, see, fact is, till the age of 28, 29, 30, or whatever, you're going to meet so many temporary people. Okay, so you need to have emotional stability at workplace also. Okay, maybe your colleagues are not going to be very cooperative, or may not be very pleasant when they are talking. They might be harsh and rude. Okay, but you got to have that emotional stability. Okay, वही आपको ग्रुप डिस्कशन में भी दिखाना है. During the group discussion, you have to understand that you cannot lose your patience. Okay, it's all right if someone is bursting out of anger, if someone is criticizing you on your face, or you have all the rights to defend your point, but do not get frustrated, do not get angry. Okay, do not reciprocate in a similar manner. Okay, have lot of emotional stability in general life also. Students, I suggest you to please have lot of emotional stability. Okay, I have seen people crying for years and years because somebody has gone from their life. Now one has to understand it happened, it has to happen, that is why it has happened. Okay, so your business is not making profit and you're into continuous losses, does not mean that you end up. That is not the way. Okay, you got to have a lot of emotional stability. Wake up the next day, get up, and do it better and do much better than yesterday. Okay, have a lot of emotional stability, guys. I think if you have that, you will master in everything. I think two things very, very, very important. Okay. I actually wanted to direct this to girls, but I want to tell this to everyone, even boys, okay, in the session. Two things that will completely change your life. They completely means completely change your life. One is your emotional stability. Okay. Once you start mastering the emotional stability, that means once you start having a good control on your emotions. Okay, you're too angry, but you are able to control it. You're too sad, but you're able to control it. You're too happy, but at the same time, you know how to behave when you are happy. Okay, you're too much frustrated, but then you know how you're supposed to talk when you're frustrated. So if you have this one quality, and second, okay, your financial independence, emotional independence and financial independence. Once you start earning, once you know that you are capable enough to earn your bread butter, you're capable enough to take care of your family, you know how things are, and once you're financially independent, guys, that these two things are going to completely change your life. Okay. So all the undergraduate students who are now listening to my lecture, I hope you remember this in your life, that these two things are going to help you long way. Okay. Your financial independence as well as your emotional independence. If you're too much emotional, it will be very difficult for you to survive. And on the other hand, if you are not financially independent, you are dependent on others, which somewhere is going to be not in your favor. Okay. So moving on to point number 5, that is other behavioral aspects. और भी चीजें हैं जिनको evaluate की जा सकती है. For example, okay, Mehak.
Yes, ma'am. Level of employee participation, consistency in participation, alertiveness and alertness during the discussion, the tone and quality of voice, conviction with which the viewpoints are put forth.
Yeah, the other things that include, in the evaluation process is how you are participating. What is your level of participation? Are you a front foot player or you are, a back foot player? आप खाली उतना ही बोल रहे हो जितना बोलना है, या फिर आप additional भी बोल रहे हो? Okay. Are you consistent in the participation? You are just coming once and then you are disappeared. Okay. So how it is, how much you are attentive and alert. Sometimes what happens is discussion के time पे कुछ members हैं attentive नहीं रहते हैं, alert नहीं रहते हैं, जबकि discussion में वो शायद एक बहुत अच्छा point बोल सकते थे, but they might miss out because they were not attentive. The tone and quality of voice, of course, how you're talking, that matters. Okay, आप का tone. Okay, see, you cannot be rude. Okay, you might have conflicting views, but you cannot be rude. Okay. Then lastly, conviction with which the viewpoints are put forth. That means how much passionately you are able to put across your thought process. Okay. So that is these are few things which can again be evaluated in the same. Any difficulty, guys, in the answer? I hope I did not go very fast.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Students, you can see we have slowly covered all the answers from both unit. Now we will complete resume. ये देखो यहाँ से हमने सारा कुछ कंप्लीट कर लिया है. ग्रुप डिस्कशन हो गया है. we will do personal interviews and video and teleconference. ये बाकी है. यहाँ से कंप्लीट हो गया. Aesthetic skills, etiquette, different types of quitting techniques, exit interview. Okay, meaning and importance is done. We can start with biodata and curriculum vitae. Just resume and curriculum vitae is there. Okay, I forgot. Personal interview is also. We will complete this answer first. The entire portion of this. So we will see personal interview. Can we start? I hope it's okay to take a nuance.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay. This is going to be a little easy since you have already studied or you have already had a certificate course on this, and I'm very sure that we will be able to complete it. Maybe not today, but in the next lecture. All right, personal interview. We can start from here.
An impressive CV is prepared with the whole and sole purpose of getting opportunity to meet the prospective employer. Hence, facing interview becomes an most important step in the job search. It is an opportunity that the candidate gets to show his abilities and competencies to the interviewer face to face and thus convince him that he or she is the best fit for the job.
I think personal interview is a one-on-one interview with wherein the employer and the employee gets a chance to meet each other face to face. Okay, and the most important thing over here is the candidate has all the opportunity to showcase his talent and abilities, his competencies in front of the interviewer. Okay, and convince him that why is he best fit. Okay, for the job. I have faced so many personal interviews, and my experiences has been amazing. My first personal interview was when I appeared for my MBA GDPI, so that was very interesting. I was grilled during the interview. I'm tossed completely क्योंकि बहुत ही difficult questions पूछे थे. Not on any knowledge based. I thought something like that would come. Like I assumed कि ऐसा कुछ पूछेंगे related to current affairs or politics or maybe related to legal or something like that. लेकिन वैसे questions नहीं पूछ के general questions पूछा था and very simple questions in fact. But I was grilled. Okay, every statement that I was passing, I had to make sure that I'm very careful with the words that I'm selecting. Okay, क्योंकि interviewer इतने smart थे, मैंने starting के first minute में ही समझ लिया था that मैं कुछ भी बोलूंगी मेरे को counter question आएगा. Okay, and I have to be prepared for those counter questions. So personal interview is a very simple process. Of course, the whole and sole purpose is to get a good job. Okay, but not necessarily that personal interviews are only for the purpose of job. Okay, like in my case, I just said you that GDPI personal interviews also to secure admission in the best institute for MBA. Okay, not just MBA. There are so many programs where GDPI is the qualifying criteria. यानी कि आपको पहले group discussion में जज करते हैं, वहां पे आपने अच्छा परफॉर्म किया तो आपको पर्सनल इंटरव्यू का चांस मिलता है या अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलता है. ओके, सो let us see how what is the preparation for the interview. Okay,
Before
so
the interview,
okay.
it is a normal human tendency to develop nervousness before the interview. This feeling can be done away with by doing self analysis. This is because facing an interview is a skill and not a talent that one is born with. While preparing for the interview, the following aspects should be taken care of.
Okay, we
Ma'am,
will
should I?
see. One minute, huh, baby. We'll just see what it is trying to say. Before the interview, students, it's a normal human tendency कि आप बहुत nervous होंगे. Okay, there would be a lot of thoughts on your mind. You will be scared. Okay, then how would you face this issues? Possibly आपका knowledge अच्छा है. You are talented also, but you are very nervous. Okay, और nervousness में क्या होता है? आप express नहीं कर पाते हो. आप बोल नहीं पाते हो. Okay, तो वो नहीं होना चाहिए. उसके लिए आपको पहले से क्या प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए? डू समथिंग कॉल्ड सेल्फ एनालिसिस. ओके, कभी भी किसी भी इंटरव्यू के लिए जाओ ना, तो हैव वन थिंग ऑन योर माइंड. ओके, दिस इज नॉट द लास्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी. ये ऐसे दिमाग में रख के जाने का. बी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट एंड डोंट फियर. ऑफ कोर्स कंसिडर इट एज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, ये नहीं कि ये लास्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है तो फिर उसको एकदम लाइटली लिया. नहीं, टेक इट वेरी सीरियसली. But at the same time, keep your mind calm. Okay, tell yourself that definitely this is not the last opportunity and I'm here for the interview. I have to put across answers to whatever the interviewer is asking. Okay, I see a lot of people, unka nervousness mein they start kind of कितने लोग कांपने लगते हैं and they start biting their finger and nails and a very awkward kind of behavior. तो वो जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, और ये होगा क्योंकि स्पेशली इन योर फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आपको चाहे कितना ही कॉन्फिडेंस लाने की कोशिश करूं, लेकिन फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू में डेफिनेटली आप थोड़ा सा शिवरिंग करोगे, थोड़ा नर्वस ज्यादा होगे, बट दैट्स ओके. Okay, so what can be done, okay, before the interview? Okay, let us see the points. We will go one by one. First one is,
The candidate must know everything about his resume, that is, previous education, extracurriculum activities, awards, projects, etc.
I think the best thing is that you should know yourself more. This interview is happening for you. Okay, तो definitely आपको खुद के बारे में मालूम होना चाहिए. Your previous or your latest qualification, your participation in extra curricular activities, awards, projects जो आपको मिला है. Okay. I request you students, when you're making your resume, do not copy paste it from your friends or somebody else's, or don't take it from the Google, because वहाँ पे वो लोग जो मेंशन करते हैं वो उनके अचीवमेंट, आपके अचीवमेंट नहीं है. Because just one simple experience, when I used to take interviews, कुछ लोग ऐसे लिखते थे resume में, good in all the languages, can speak हिंदी, इंग्लिश, मराठी fluently. और जब बात करने को स्टार्ट करेंगे तो पता चलता है मराठी भी नहीं आती, इंग्लिश भी नहीं आती. ओके, तो कहाँ से लिखा? किसी और के रेज्यूमे से लिखा है. फिर किसी एक ने लिखा था कैरम स्टेट लेवल पे कैरम में विन किया है. तो मैंने पूछा व्हेन डिड दिस हैपन, तो कैंडिडेट बोलते हो सॉरी मैम, दैट इज नॉट माय अचीवमेंट, वो गलती से आ गया रहेगा. तो गलती से कैसे आया रहेगा? आपने कॉपी पेस्ट किया इसीलिए आया है ना, right? So that is going to leave a very bad impression in the mind of the interviewer. So please make sure that you write only what is true. Okay. So therefore, no, before going to the interview, read your resume carefully. Know everything that what is written is correct and true. Okay. Second one.
Research the organization before the interview and prepare at least 2 to 3 questions that are to be asked to the interviewer about the job, as it shows genuine interest in the role to be played.
Yeah, I think interviewer can be very smart by asking you few questions related to the organization. तो अगर आप एज ए इंटरव्यू ही जाते हो, आपने कुछ भी नहीं प्रिपेयर किया, आपने कुछ भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में स्टडी नहीं किया है, ओके, तो डेफिनेटली इंटरव्यू को मालूम पड़ जाएगा ये बस जस्ट नॉर्मल वॉक इन इंटरव्यू कंसिडर करके आए हैं. ओके, जेन्यून इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. अगर मेरे को जेन्यूनली इंटरेस्ट है किसी कंपनी में, आई विल डेफिनेटली रिसर्च अबाउट दैट कंपनी, है ना. I'll go to their website, I'll check what they are into. So if this preparation is lacking, it shows that it's a sign that you're not genuinely interested in that job. So do a research about the company, then
Try planning answers to those questions that are definite of being asked in the interview.
I think this is very important to start planning answers for questions that you know this will be definitely asked. Okay, something which surely will be asked. तो उन क्वेश्चंस को मैं कितने अच्छे से रिप्लाई करना है उसका मैं एटलीस्ट प्लानिंग कर सकती हूँ. देन
If possible, create a mock interview situation with close friends and relatives.
हाँ, आई थिंक वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. मॉक मतलब ऐसा नकली. ओके, नॉट दिस नॉट अ रियल इंटरव्यू. मॉक इज जस्ट काइंड ऑफ आप जैसे एक प्रिपरेशन करते हैं ना, रोल प्ले टाइप, तो मॉक इंटरव्यू करो आपके फ्रेंड्स रिलेटिव्स के साथ. टेल योर सिस्टर टू बिकम इंटरव्यूअर एंड यू काइंड ऑफ फेस द इंटरव्यू. ऐसे मॉक सेशंस करने से ना आपको थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा. ओके, सो कंडक्ट अ मॉक, पॉसिबली डू इट विद एन आउटसाइडर, मतलब आपके फ्रेंड या फिर not, don't do it with your sibling. Okay, do it with your friends or with your cousins or someone like that. उसके बाद में
Reach the venue early and arrive on time for the interview.
very important, don't be late. That is going to leave a very negative impression about you. Be on time. Okay, make sure you reach early, in fact, so that you can go and study the organization a little bit. And then lastly,
Make sure of being properly dressed in formal attire. Avoid conservative clothing and jewelry.
I think this I've taught you before also. Be in a formal attire and don't overdo things with the jewelry and your outfits, and especially your earrings and cosmetics. Okay, kind of keep it light. Okay, and keep it very formal. So this can be done before the interview. During the interview, मैं आपको next lecture में पढ़ाती हूँ. Any difficulty till your students?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All right, then I end the session here and we meet soon in the next class. You take care of yourself and have a nice day. Please don't step out unless very urgent or very important. It's raining very heavily. Please take care of yourself.
Yes, ma'am, you too.
Okay, bye bye.